In this video we are going to create an Expert Advisor that is able to count the current number of open buy positions. This is a question that I have gotten from a customer. Right here the Expert Advisor says that we have 6 buy positions. So let's click on Results. We have buy and sell trades here. Let's order them by type. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buy positions. So let's find out how to create a simple Expert Advisor that can count our positions. To do that, please click on the little button here or press F4 on your keyboard. Now you should see the Metaeditor window, and here you want to click on File, New, Expert Advisor from Template, Continue. I will call this file Simple Buy Position Counter. Click on Continue, Continue and Finish. Now you can delete everything between the onTick function and the onInit function. We also want to remove everything above the onInit function and all the gray command lines here. Inside of the onInit function I'm going to call a function called OpenTestPositions. You wouldn't do that on a real account, but I need to open some positions first before I can count them. And inside of the onTick function, I would like to use the command statement to create an output number of buy positions. And the number of open buy positions will be calculated in a function that we are going to create right now. The new function should return an integer value. The name is countBuyPositions, and we start by creating a local variable called number of buy positions. Right now the value is 0, and we are going to use a for loop. Inside of the for loop we use orders total. This will deliver the number of all the orders. We use a counter value to go through all the orders until there is no order left. And for each order we want to get the currency pair for that particular order. That is done by using the function order symbol. We use order select to select an open trade. The one for the current counter value. We want to use select by position. And we use mode trades. If you mark that and press F1, you will learn that this is for opened and pending orders, while mode history would be used when we want to calculate something about the closed and cancelled orders. Now we use the function order symbol to find out the currency pair for the order. And after we have done that, we can check if the current symbol on the chart equals the currency pair of the order. And we also want to know if the order type equals OP buy. Let's look that up. OP buy is a buy operation, OP sell would be a sell operation. The other 4 here are for pending orders, but we just wanted to count buy positions, so OP buy is the one we need. And if all those conditions are true, we now want to increase the number of buy positions by 1. Here we close the for loop. And finally, we use the return statement to return the number of buy positions to our main module. That's about it. I will show you my OpenTestPositions function. I'm using a random generator to generate a random number of positions. I use order send to open buy and sell trades so that we have something to count. You wouldn't do that on a real account. So when you're done, please click on the compile button here or press F7 on your keyboard. We have no errors here, so now we can click the little button here or press F4 to go back to Metatrader. And in Metatrader, please click on View, Strategy Tester or press Ctrl and R. Here we pick the new file Simple Buy Positions Counter.ex4. Please enable the visual mode here and start a test. Here we are. We have 1 buy and 1 sell position, and the number of buy positions is 1. Let's look into the results tab, and this is correct. Now let's stop the test and restart it. This time the Expert Advisor says that we have 2 buy positions. This is the first and this is the second position. So our little Expert Advisor is working. If you have any similar questions that could become a video like this one, just send me an email. But for now you know how to create a simple Expert Advisor that is able to count open buy positions, and you have coded it yourself with a few lines of MQL4 code.